I'm Erin Campbell, and this is our group Changemaker project.
Hi, I'm Dylan Hubert, and this is our group Changemaker project.
Hello, my name is Charles Yarbrough, and this is our group Changemaker project.
So, for our service day, we did the butterfly preserve at the Phoenix Botanical Gardens, and it was a really interesting experience. We were given a tour by the head gardeners there. Then we were asked to clean a lot of the equipment that we would be using that day. Then we put soil into containers, and then we stuck nutrients down into the soil, and we planted them. Then after that, we helped plant other things around the area so it would be like a healthy environment, and it would be colorful, and it would just be a nice place for the butterflies to live. So here you will see some pictures of what the service day actually looked like, what some of the equipment was, and what exactly I meant by when we were putting the nutrients and the soil into containers.
You may be asking yourself, why did we decide to choose butterflies as our main focal point for our group Changemaker project? Well, I was a bit skeptical myself too, but doing the research and going out there, I found out that butterflies have a drastic impact on our environment and our ecosystem that I just would never have expected. Butterflies are what's known as pollinators. And what pollinators do is they transfer pollen from one plant to another, and this allows for fertilization within the plant. This means that all the plants that we eat and the plants that we eat and other animals eat all stem from insects like butterflies and bees pollinating these plants. Now you may be asking yourself, well, why is our main focal point on butterflies when you just said that other insects like bees also pollinate? Well, butterflies have a larger range of pollination, so that means they can go farther distances and pollinate more plants than a bee would, just because butterflies have bigger wings and they're able to fly faster and longer. This is why it's so important for us to preserve the environment for these butterflies, because they are the prime premier pollinators. That's why when we went out there and we put the nutrients in the soil and all that stuff, at first it seemed like, oh, this is kind of wasted time, but going in and really understanding the impact that you're making on the world really changed my whole perspective about this whole project, and it really made me value the earth in which we live in and really wants me to preserve the environment for these butterflies.
Now you might be wondering what we've learned by doing this Changemaker activity and how it relates to skills that we've attained while finishing this class. There are more important things than your grades or your teacher's performance. The important thing is about taking what you've learned and applying it to your everyday life. An example would be like using your writing skills to make an article about how you can help the environment or a presentation about it. How skills from classes can translate into real-world skills that can help the environment is like talking skills, writing, presenting information, and doing research. If I could go back and redo my This I Believe essay, I would change my essay to I believe that we should pay more attention to the environment and make it a healthier place for pollinators. After all, they are an important part of our ecosystem.
So what an audience can take away from our project is that it's very important to volunteer in your community, and it's also a great thing to take the concepts you learn in your college courses and apply them to your own life. Had we not gone and done this group Changemaker service day, I don't think we would have ever understood the impact that butterflies have on our environments and on our life. And now that we know how to take a stance in something we believe in and put it to good use, we're making our environment a better place.